There are three Discord Nitro plans, which are Nitro Basic, which costs $2, Nitro Classic, which costs $5, and regular Discord Nitro, which costs $10. But there can be made a fourth free plan by combining all the free features of the regular Nitro. By the way, subscribe or you will meet a ghost at 3 a.m. So let's discuss what you can get in this plan. First feature is custom emoji. Discord has locked custom emojis behind Nitro Basic, but with this plan, you can get it for free. Second feature is custom stickers, which allows you to use Discord stickers everywhere. Third feature is Discord profile themes, which allows you to change your Discord profile theme. Fourth feature is HD video, which allows you to stream at the highest quality as possible. Now let's talk about how you can get these themes. First, go search Vencord on Google and open the first link. After that, download and then install Vencord. After the installation is done, go to User Settings and scroll down to the plugin, then search Fake Nitro. This plugin will give you 3 of the 4 features that I've mentioned. For the fourth feature, which is Nitro Themes, search Fake Nitro Themes and then enable it. After you have enabled both of the themes, just restart your Discord. Now go back to User Settings and then Plugins. After that, search Fake Nitro again and click on the settings icon there. Now make sure to enable everything you see on the screen. After you are done, now go back and start using these features. For custom emojis, you just need to click on the emoji you need to send and it will be sent even though you don't have Nitro. For high stream quality, just go to a voice channel, click streaming, and then select a high quality resolution and then click go live, and that's how you can stream in HD. Now let's talk using Nitro themes. Go to User Settings and then click on Profile, and there, you need to scroll down to Nitro Preview. And from there, change the colors to what you like and then click the copy button right next to it. Now you have to paste what you have copied in your bio, then click Save. This is how you use all the features of the free Nitro plan. Subscribe for more Discord content.